Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy. Today we are diving into how we have helped the crypto merchant trusted online platform for hardware wallets increasing their sales and become a top choice for cryptocurrency enthusiasts across the US. In terms of the client overview, our client, the crypto merchant, specializes in selling secure hardware wallets from the top brand like Ledger and Trezor. Their mission is to help the customers safeguard their digital assets through the offline cold storage wallets. With the growing popularity of cryptocurrency, they knew they had to stand out in a crowded market, and that's where we came in. In terms of the challenges faced, what was holding them back? When the crypto merchant approached us, they were facing a few challenges related to the high competition. The market for hardware wallets was getting more competitive by the day, and they needed to stand out from the competition. The next is the low brand awareness. Even though they offer some of the best wallets available, many potential customers weren't aware of their offerings or trusted the other vendors. The next is underutilized ads. Their existing campaigns were not delivering the sales they hoped for, especially for bundles and special offers like the family pack of wallets. In terms of how they found us, the crypto merchant discovered our services through one of our case studies. Impressed by the results we have achieved for similar e-commerce businesses, they contacted us to help optimize their Google AdWords strategy and get their message in front of some more crypto users. In terms of the strategy and the implementation, so in terms of what we did for the crypto merchant to turn things around and boost their sales, first is the keyword research. We have conducted extensive keyword research focusing on the crypto specific term like buy hardware wallet, best cold storage wallets, and secure Bitcoin storage. These keywords helped us target crypto enthusiasts actively searching for hardware wallets. The next is the ad copy creation. We have crafted the ad copy that emphasizes the crypto merchant key selling points, that is the security, ease of use, and their status as an authorized retailer for the top brands like Trezor and the Ledger. We also highlighted their free shipping, money back guarantee, and the premium customer support. The next is the PMAX campaign. To expand their reach, we have launched the PMAX campaign promoting the crypto merchant across Google's ecosystem, search and display, YouTube, and the shopping. This allowed us to reach users that at various stages of their purchase journey, whether they were exploring wallets or ready to buy. The next is the shopping campaigns. We have optimized their Google shopping campaign by grouping the products into specific category like Trezor wallets and the Secux wallet. By adding custom images and the product description, we made their listings more appealing and trustworthy. The next is the retargeting ads. We have set up the powerful retargeting ads for visitors who browse but did not purchase. These ads showcase popular bundles, limited time discounts, and free shipping offers to bring customers back to the site and complete their purchases. The next is in terms of the result. In just 2 months, the crypto merchant saw a huge boost in sales, particularly in their bundle deals. Sales increased by 42%. We have generated $121,000 in terms of revenue with the ROAS of 5.34. We also saw a 35% increase in the website traffic from the Google shopping ads alone, resulting in a major surge in the customer engagement. And that's how we helped the crypto merchants secure their place as a top seller in the hardware wallet industry. If you are looking to optimize your e-commerce campaign and drive results like this, don't hesitate to reach out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more digital marketing case studies.